Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to install the new lithium battery kit into a Limelight that has a lead acid battery. So you're going to need a 7/16 wrench, number 2 bit for your magnet, or a number 3 bit, and then a number 2 bit for your screws. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to remove the end cap. Sides. Then you're going to take your wrench and remove this magnet. And pop this switch out. You're going to remove the double red wire. Not going to be using that on anything anymore. Slide your battery out. And screw also. So you have a white and a red wire. Disconnect your lead acid battery. Go back to color, white to white, red to red. This is going to be your new wire that's going to go to your switch. So you'll feed all that in. Make sure that the Towmate is facing up. And then you're going to want to fish the new orange wire up. Push the orange wire down. Re-establish connection. Reinstall the switch. Slide the battery down to the stop nut. Reinstall the magnet. Drop the magnet right here. Reinstall the end caps. Seem to have lost a screw, but that's pretty much the gist of it. Reassemble it how you disassembled it. Lithium battery goes in here. The only thing you're really going to do is just basically run that orange wire in, disconnect the double red, hook up the orange in its place, leave the double red in there, and it's now a lithium light bar with a 3 amp hour lithium cell in it.